No, isn't it so luscious? Now, who wouldn't want a big old spoonful of that next to their turkey this Thanksgiving? Delicious, luscious, rich. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Here's how I do it. All right, as tradition dictates, I'm starting Thanksgiving cooking with my Marnier cranberry relish. All right, so it starts with a bag of 12 ounce bag of fresh cranberries, straight from the bog. And 1 cup of water. 2 cups of granulated sugar. I know that's a lot, but it's gonna make a lot of cranberry. And we're gonna do the zest of 2 oranges. So you just want the zest, not the pith. The pith is bitter, so. So you see 1 orange is about a tablespoon of zest. So we're gonna need 2 of those. All right, that's zest of 2 oranges. Now to that, we're gonna have the juice of the 2 oranges. All right, so let's cut these in half. I got this clever little orange juicer. So you put them flat side in. See how it turns it inside out and gets all the juice. I would say about 1/3 of a cup of orange juice. All right, so we're going to leave this to start simmering, and we'll be back in a moment. All right, it's been 10 minutes, and you can see the cranberries are starting to pop, and it's simmering. So I use this heat-proof spatula. You can also use a wooden spoon. That's what I used to use. And gently, I'm going to do this side. Gently, just kind of press, just gently, because you don't want it to spit on you, you know. But gently press the cranberries to pop them, just to help them along. And crush them. I don't have to do all of them, but I do, because we're going to add another 12 ounces of cranberries in a minute. We're working on the base right now. All right. Got a good amount popped here. You know, this is great, this side's of the pan too. You don't want too much crystallization to happen. Now, I'm going to turn that down. I have it on medium-high now, so I'm going to turn it to medium-low. And we're going to add now 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. It smells incredible, as you can imagine. mix in the cinnamon. All right, you can see how it's calmed down a bit. You can see the pectin. Cranberries have a high amount of pectin, so you can see how it's already thickening. That's what you want. All right, so now we're going to add 1/3 cup of orange juice and another bag, 12-ounce bag of cranberries. Now we're going to simmer this on medium-low. And we'll be back to check it soon. All right, so this has been simmering for about 15 minutes on medium-low. So again, we're just going to gently press the cranberries that haven't popped, just to crush them. And now we're just going to simmer them for another 10 minutes until all the big cranberries like this just really start to disintegrate more. And we'll come back and we're at the stretch. All right, so this has been simmering nicely on low. And you can see how it makes that sound when you pull it? That means it's thick enough. So we're just gonna give it a quick little stir. At this point, all the cranberries, even if they're whole, should still be broken up, just like that. And if you see any bigger ones, like this, just again, press it. And you can add as much as you want. This is Grand Marnier Cranberry Relish, as the name suggests, but you can also use just regular brandy. Grand Marnier is orange brandy, but you can also use bourbon, or you can leave it out if you like. So you can also use whiskey if you like. And we're going to do 1/3 cup. And we're going to cook out the alcohol. So it's just going to add the essence of it. All right? If you want to make it a little more boozy, at the very end, I would add maybe a tablespoon of booze to give it that boozy flavor if it's adults. But this will be child friendly because all the alcohol will burn out. So we're just going to go ahead and continue to simmer this to cook out the alcohol on low for about 5 more minutes. All right, so the alcohol is cooked off. You can smell the essence of the Grand Marnier and the cinnamon and the orange. It's just incredible. All right, so we're just gonna give this a final stir. All right, so it's been 5 minutes and the alcohol's burned off, but you can smell the essence of the Grand Marnier and the cinnamon and the orange. It just smells like the holidays. So give this a nice stir. You can see how luscious that looks. Grand Marnier really just add a beautiful perfume to this. And finally, we're just going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1 and 2. All right, stir that in. Now the addition of that vanilla, this has really gone to the next level. All right, turn off the heat. And you just want to let this cool. All right, so our cranberry sauce is just warm now, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in these containers. I just have these 16-ounce containers. They hold a pound of cranberry, which is plenty. And so we're just gonna go ahead and fill these up. Okay. Right, and then one's for our Thanksgiving, but the other one I'm actually making a Thanksgiving for a friend. And, oops, you want to burp it a little bit. And I'm going to pack that up with his dinner. So, the label on that one. All right, one for us and one for a friend. No, isn't that so luscious? Now, who wouldn't want a big old spoonful of that next to their turkey this Thanksgiving? Delicious, luscious, rich, perfect. I hope you enjoy. Happy Thanksgiving.